Hello guys, I'm going to show you what I normally do if my garage door is making some noise. Um, often I've been using this 3-in-1 garage door lube, and basically it has high performance, lubrication, quick drying, no mess formula. This one depends on just how much you're gonna put it on, and also it does prevent rust and corrosion. So um, you can choose to do it either way. Either you can do spray or you can use the straw. So this is your choice. But this is especially areas where you don't need that much, and that this is the area where you need a lot of it to get in. So to get started, you just need to lift up this right here, or actually I can spray without even having too close to do that. I can just squeeze this, but since I want to make use of the straw, I'll just basically make it go 90 degrees, turn it 90 degrees, and then basically apply it in various places. So the garage door basically has a few areas that basically might be the one causing the noises. So areas like hinges, like this area here with the nuts being loose. Another area on the garage door is all these rollers that go up and down, and of course the rails that the rollers are going to be going on. Some of the time they might be also be the one causing all this, and also any moving parts, anything that you've noticed that moves are long, you probably want to lubricate it. Springs are also common areas that you want to lubricate, and also making sure you do it on both sides. So since I have several garage doors, don't ask me why. This is just one of the garage door that I have, a 2-door garage door, and I also have the other little garage door for one car right here. And I will need to do the same thing just to make any unnecessary noises go away. This one only has one spring, which is an easy to apply. But of course, as I mentioned, you want to make sure you target all those areas that are always going to move: hinges, the rollers, and of course the rails. Now my last garage is right here. Don't ask me why it's right here, but yes, I have 3 garages. So this is another one, but this one doesn't have a motor, unlike these other ones. This one has a motor, you can see there, connected to one of it, and this other one also has a motor connected to it. So I just it's a button press, and it closes or opens, unlike this one here where you have to basically lift it up by yourself. It has handles, so you just need to basically lift it up. So this garage door is basically looking in my backyard, so in other words, I can also use this space as a parking space. But that's just lets me go out with my car over there. I can take my car over there and just wash it from here, and so on. So back to the topic. So you can see this one has also the moving parts that I will need to focus on. Anything that I might see that is loose, those joints, I want to make sure that the lubricant goes in there. So let's get started. So I'm not gonna really show you everything because my hands can already double tap, but one thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray on this like this area here just a little bit. You can easily do this, and then you basically wipe it off for excess. I can't reach up there, so I'm gonna need a ladder. If you have one like I do, it'll be very useful. And since I've also parked my vehicle right here, it's kind of gonna be a bit hard to put my ladder there. Another one you might wanna also look at is this belt here, but I'm not gonna go over there because I'm not gonna move this car here. Okay, so let me move this ladder. So let me try to spray that one up there. That wasn't pretty at all. Too much. I couldn't reach up there, but that's fine. And of course, all these are little pieces. Try to target all of them, and this one should be able to take care of the noise all up, all way. Even this the other side of this rim I've already applied, so moves around, and on the other side as well. All right, thank you for staying to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support my channel by watching and sharing. Yeah, till later.